Hola, hi friends. I'm showing you guys how to make a Crunchwrap Supreme, a homemade vegetarian, very easy, very simple take on the classic Crunchwrap Supreme, more commonly found at places like Taco Bell. With this, you can make it the comfort of your own home, and even for people who hate cooking or meal prep, such as myself. If I can master this, y'all can master this, and it's delicious. It's vegetarian, but you can only um, well, you don't have to make it only vegetarian. It's up to you. If you want to do replacements, easy to do. I use vegetarian beans, but instead of beans, if you're not a vegetarian, you want to do beef, that's totally up to you. But for the purpose of this video, I'm going to keep it purely vegetarian because that's what I am. And if you're vegan, so beans are fine, of course, but you can substitute the cheese, regular cheese, Mexican cheese, with vegan cheese, which is also really good. I've tried it and I really like it. So there's tons of options, but this is purely a vegetarian Crunchwrap Supreme. So let's get started. I already pre-prepped the refried beans here. I already made kind of like a pico de gallo with tomatoes, onions, cilantro, chopped together into a delicious little mix. And I bought tostadas from a Mexican, more ethnic grocery store. I have a 4 cheese blend Mexican style rustic cut cheese here. It's not really about the cut, it's just a matter of what cheese you prefer. Like I said, you can have vegan cheese if you want. You could do quesadilla cheese, you could do cheddar, help yourself. This is chunky guacamole from our lovely Trader Joe's. These are flour tortillas, pretty self-explanatory. So start with a tortilla, place it on a plate, easy peasy. I'm recording with one hand, so pardon that. Okay, got my lovely beans. They're more liquid consistency than I had hoped, but that's okay. Like I said, I'm not a cook, so I do these simple recipes. So just put them in a little circle like that. Maybe a little more. There, some protein and fiber. Take a piece of tostada that's not broken, or it can be broken, no big deal. Voila, easy. Some people may choose to add sour cream on top of that. I personally don't like sour cream, so I have left it out. But I will do guacamole. I have yet to meet anyone that does not like guac. So circle, circle. No such thing as too much guac, right? Again, lovely. That's what I like to see. Perfect. And then on top of that, very easy, take your cheese, sprinkle. I'll probably do some more cheese just because I don't have the sour cream. There. I think that is enough. And then some pico de gallo, which I already made several days ago. A little more. That's good. Maybe a little more. I really love pico de gallo. Just love the combination of onion, cilantro, tomatoes with a dash of salt, garlic salt, and pepper. So that's it for adding the ingredients. You can also add green onions on it if you want. Speaking of which, I don't think I added. I might have some left over, so I'm gonna quickly chop that up and add it. False alert, added green onions. No worries. Then you just want to close it and nice overlapping style. You'll have a gap in the middle, but that's okay. The best you can. There it is, all closed. Then you just want to put it on a pan and cook it for a couple minutes on medium gas. Now we'll just wait. Be sure to flip it over. Let me just spray some olive oil on it. And it is done. Es todo. That's it, folks. Thanks for watching. Enjoy.